Hi, my name is Keith Mazza. Most of you know me as Sifu Keith. Welcome to our channel.
Hey everybody, Sifu Keith here, and in today's video we bring you more from our power training. It's more bone and tendon conditioning for your fight training. But before we do that, I need you to go over the boxes, click like and subscribe, and click the bell to always to be kept up with our latest videos. Once again, thank you for your continued support, and have a great day.
Okay, next one is called 10 count. We're going to hit inside and outside the front of the wrist. So we got low is 1, 2 backhand, 3, 4 high inside, circle, high outside, high inside, circle, high outside. We step through and behind. So our count is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We'll go through it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and okay, on to our fifth exercise. It's called two-star with a sweep. This time, we're going to be facing each other. We're going to walk with this one. With this, you can walk the length of the room or do a timer and set it a minute in each direction. But a lot of times you're confined with the space because we'll be traveling. So we're going to face each other. So here it is. We have our first star, our second star. I'm going to go for the elbow and the wrist, hold here, and don't sweep your partner off the ground. The object is not to put them on the ground. It's to condition the back of the leg. So I'm going to turn from here, throw a low sweep. He's going to do a twisting tiger step. As he steps down, we're back to 1, 2, once again, grab, sweep. He steps back, 1, 2, grab, sweep. Now when he steps back, go ahead. Now we're going to switch roles. He goes 1, 2, now he's going to come to me. Kick, I twisting tiger step. We come back in, 1, 2, he grabs, sweep, step back, 1, 2, he grabs, kick, we step back, and we complete our exercise from here on his last kick.
And don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and share buttons. And when you hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification to all so we can let you know as soon as we put out a new video. And we want you to know that we're here for you. So leave your comments below. We're going to get back to each and every one of you to make sure your questions get answered.
And once again, thank you. We look forward to being your all things Wing Chun and more for many years to come.